So my name is Rahul Jarnaju. I am a 16-year-old. I don't look like it, but I'm a founder. I'm called the Kid of India, and I also have a lot of tools under my belt which I've built, especially Rescue Project 47X, which I'm working on with one of my friends. And I am also an influencer, so Rahul the Rockstar is the name. I'm creating videos regarding basically solving real life problems, but with AI, like finding the perfect pair of dress and stuff like that is on my reels. And I'm also available on YouTube where I teach about AI, how to create your own AI and stuff like that. So I have full blown courses which are free on my YouTube as well, just the basics and stuff like that. And I have a lot of other things which I am working on, other than the tools, other than becoming a founder. I also take sessions. So I am a 3-time TEDx speaker, going to be 4-time, and I also have taken sessions around the world, US, Dubai, like internationally and nationally in a number of colleges and schools. And I even consult for businesses. So I have a team of people who help me as well with everything which I do. I'm very lucky that I do. So yeah, that is it about me.
Talking about the latest trends in AI, if you could throw some light on that.
Well, the latest trends on AI, there have been everything. AI updates faster than the light of speed, I feel. I think yesterday, I think Google and Geo collaborated to make Google Gemini free for 18 months, just like Perplexity did with Airtel. Like now they are having a war, and ChatGPT is like, we are everyone, we're going to do it on our own. That is what happened recently, and now we are in the agentic where literally browsers can browse for us without us needing to do the task. So it automatically clicks our stuff, uses clicks, even touch laptop. Imagine telling it to find the cheapest laptop available on the internet. It goes and does it for you. You don't have to do anything. So that is the period we are in right now, which is crazy. That is why everyone, no matter what, should start using AI. Even India, we should not join the race. We should create our own race, redefine the race for us, and join it and create our own AI race as well.
Do you think AI is also kind of threat to the humanity?
Well, no, I feel AI as such. See, every single technology, it has its bad side, good side. It's not just about technology. Everything has a good and a bad. Especially about AI, I feel there is more good than bad because it is literally a replication of a human brain. So it can do good things and bad, but it's up to us how we use it.
And your last question to you, advice to young startups who are getting into this AI field.
I would say for all the young startups, don't just dive into AI because let me tell you, AI companies are not the most profitable things out there. Example, take OpenAI. Out of 800 million active users, only 10 million pay for them. Claude, this one of the biggest AIs out there, only have 13 million active users, not even 800 million compared to like ChatGPT. 30 million, not a lot of people pay for Claude Pro, and so there are a lot of things like they have only 55% profit margin, but normal SaaS like subscription as software companies, to 90%, 70 to 90% profit margin, but this only AI companies. So don't make AI as a product, but make AI as a feature, solving boring problems rather than just creating another image generator or video generator out there.
Thank you.